Hi, and thanks for watching this demonstrative video on booking all your car services directly through our limoride.com website. If you already have a link for the booking site, you can click that now, or simply go to our website at limoride.com and move over to the Reserve tab. Once there, use your credentials to log in. I'll be using mine for this demonstration. Okay, and once logged in, you will be presented with various tabs. Your main screen basically lets you know the amount of rides that are completed in your history, how many you've canceled, and how many are upcoming. In this current screen, there are no reservations in advance. However, if we want to go ahead and book a ride, we simply go over to the Book Ride tab. And if I was the traveler, I could just simply keep my name here. If you are a reservation delegate and you have several profile passengers under your account, you would have a drop list here, and you could choose from a various amount of them. Since the current moment I'm the only traveler on my account, my name is going to be the default name populated. Simply just choose your date, the time of your pickup, your pickup address. If your pickup address is already a default profile address, rather than entering a street address, you could go right to your profile address, either choose your home or your office or vice versa, however it is. Or if it's simply a landmark, you can go ahead and type in any various landmark names, and it'll pre-populate that specific pickup location. For this demonstration, we will use a profile address as the home, and that field is your pickup location. The next field here is going to be our drop-off destination. Once again, you could choose a landmark. If you were to choose an airport, you could simply just type in the airport code, and if you tab down, it will go ahead and pre-populate. UA will default to United. You can go ahead and enter the flight number, and if this was actually an actual flight number, if you hit check flight, it will preload all the other fields by pinging the actual airline itself, and you can save some time doing that. If there are any stops between the two destination points of your pickup and drop-off, you can just add them here. The default vehicle in every instance will be a sedan. If you need to change it to any other vehicle, feel free to do so. Add your number of passengers. If it's an airport arrival or departure or what have you, you can list it. List your payment method. If you have a credit card on file, it will load it there, and your zip code. Once you click book, it'll generate the reservation and ask you if you need a return trip. Once you have been completely confirmation, you can go to your upcoming rides, and you will see all the list of rides populating. Since there is no rides on the list here, it is empty. This is for my test profile. But if you wanted to get a glimpse of everything for the next 2 months, which I recommend you do, go ahead and do a search for the last 60 days, moving forward for the next 60 days, I should say, and it will populate that in. If you want to see all your ride histories working backwards, this says rides for 7 days. You can move it to 60 days and see what you've done in the past 2 months. These are all temporary links right here, and these are all sample rides. You can go ahead and view the actual ride. You can print out your receipts as well if you had to. The remainder of the tabs are really for price quotes, flight information. If you did have a flight that was departing, you could either check in with your local airport, and or you can just simply check here. It's probably better off just to do it directly from the website. Weather, traffic patterns, and any updates you need to do to your personal profile can be updated here, whether your passenger's cell phone number has changed or the email address has changed on file, any new addresses you wanted to add. Maybe it was a summer home, maybe it was a secondary office. A new credit card or payment option you can update here. And the tabs keep going on. The preference of vehicle, any specific general notes you'd like. And this is a frequent rider balance section. Right now, currently, there's 4,275 frequent rider points. These are redeemable back for complimentary travel. So we encourage you to keep booking your reservations directly online so that these total points do accrue. If you call them in, they will not, so it's very beneficial to do so. The online booking tool is very good in the sense that You control your own reservations. It limits the amount of errors that can happen if there's any sort of discrepancy between dates and times. You're basically eliminating the middleman in the process. If you are home and you're wondering if you booked the ride or not, you could simply log into your account and see what is coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give us a call at the number above, and we look forward to serving your ground transportation needs. Thank you very much.